Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to be talking about AliDropship. So if you have been online or you are on YouTube searching for AliDropship, then this video is for you. I will give you an in-depth video or a review about AliDropship and everything you need to know. So stay with me in this video as we walk you step by step on how everything you need to know concerning AliDropship. So first of all, we would like you to watch this video concerning the testimony about AliDropship, and let's review it later to know whether it's true or not. Let's get started right now.
Hello everybody, I'm Dimitris from Greece.
I'm Wendy from the Czech Republic, and we like to share with you our perfect experience with AliDropship.
I would like to say that we had no experience about e-commerce at all. We had a small research on the internet, and finally we have decided to buy from AliDropship premium stores, the classic store, Buy It Carl, along with the marketing package and the social rabbit plugin. And like this, we started our journey.
Yeah, and now we are really grateful for AliDropship team support, especially for our AliDropship premium manager, Larissa Ogurtsova. Thank you, Larissa, for coordinating all the team for us, and that you help us really a lot. Thank you very much for quick responses, quick solving of every our issues, for your support, precious advices, recommendations, and solutions that are really the best for our store, as was proved by the time.
Thank you, AliDropship team, for your help. Special thanks to Larissa Ogurtsova. Thank you, Larissa, for your precise solutions and for your good energy. I want to recommend also to everybody to start with AliDropship stores. It's safe and the easiest way to jump into the e-commerce world.
Yeah, it's really unique chance and opportunity for everybody. So be positive, keep your eyes open, because the opportunities are coming, and AliDropship is definitely one of them.
Be aware of yourselves, be aware of your thoughts and of what you want to do now. No matter what is going on, there are always new ways, and AliDropship is one of these ways. So step out of your comfort zone and take action. Now is the best time
Ever.
So that was a review from the users of AliDropship. So all we are going to be doing this day is just for us to go step by step to check what they have said, whether it's what we are going to be seeing in their website. So if you like or you need this particular product or any of their product, all you need to do is just check the link below this video, the description, the link below the video. I will drop every link concerning the product, so for you to get access to it. And also remember to subscribe, share this video, and like. See you. Let's get to the system. Okay, so when you come to the website, the website looks so good and so interactive. So it's a wonderful website, but it can be confusing. So if you are coming here for the first time, you might be looking at, oh my God, what am I doing here? So just calm down. AliDropship website is just kind of. But let me just get you understanding how this product or how this website work. So this is a company that based on most of their products, they have different products. Like when I come to product right now, they have a free dropship web store. They have AliDropship plugins. They have best-selling products. They have high-ticket dropshipping store. They have established dropshipping store. They have AliDropship plugin. They have hosting. They have premium domains, and they have add-ons. Remember, all these links will be dropped for you at the description below. Just check the first link below this video or the link below this video. I will drop every one of their link for you in order for you to get access. Please, if you want to just support this channel, that is when you use the coupon code or you use the link to buy anything from them, we get a small percent discount, or we get a percentage of a commission from them, or a small percentage commission from them without adding any extra cost to you. So you can just support us by doing that. That helps us to do what, to continue promoting or continue to do what, to do these videos for you. Thank you. So when you come to this, you get your AliExpress dropship store for free. So basically, I've tried out their free websites to here now. Like this one now, this for instance now, you wanted this website, what did you do? Just have to click on AliDropship plugins. I told you I will drop every link for you. Don't just bother yourself. These are reviews from people that have purchased it and they are liking the product. So let me get you to the first. This one now is this one is the free store. They say try for free for 14 days. Then $39 after a free trial. So after a free trial of this particular one, this one now will cost you $39 per month for you to have a good website for yourself. So see what you are required to do. So you push the get my store for free button, then finish your order, which include your pro subscription with a free trial. The free trial is for, as you saw on their website, they said what the free trial is basically for how many days? That's 14 days. Just the same thing with Shopify. But this one now, the reason I like this one better than Shopify is just that this one now also put up the product for you in their website. So in Shopify, you are the one that will do the manual work, you do other things unless you pay heavy money for it. But this one now, they do the work for you. So all you need to do, just fill out our survey, which you complete a short survey to let us know your preference. Our expert can only start working when this information is provided. Get your store ready. Our team create a high class dropshipping store according to your preference in just a minute. So you activate your store and you start selling. That is very easy and very nice. So look at the stores they have here. So this store now, for instance, this is a car store, and they said that this car accessory store that came from 0 to 1 million in 5 months. So this was a store that they said the revenue is $523,000. Can you imagine? Every revenue per month. So you want a business like this. So if you want a business like this, then you click on get it now. Then they will do a similar business for you like this. And the good part of this website I love about them is just that them themselves as a company, they guide you. They have some specialists that guide you on this business, on how you can be able to go about this business. So see the website, say this one now have 49,000 monthly revenue. This one is baby store. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. So this one is a classic store. This one has up to $40,000 per month revenue. So this one also, so they have done the work for you. So if you are starting up on dropshipping and you are looking for how am I going to start, which product am I going to sell, what am I going to do, this and that and that and that, this is an opportunity for you. For $39 per month, all you need to do, test it for 14 days. If you test it for 14 days and it goes well for you, why not? Then pay the $39 and maybe before that 14 days runs out, you might have even made some money and you put it there and start up the business. So like this one now, I say your profit is $30. So the product will be selling for $37. Then your profit will be $30. That means you are selling the product. The product was bought for the product is selling for $69.99. So you yourself now, you are adding up the $30 profit in order for you to sell it. So they help you also to do what? To get high product that will give you a high a very good profit margin. So you don't have to worry yourself about those things. This one said it said quality control and fast delivery gives me an advantage over my competitors. So this is one of the testimonials. So let's go to the next product that they have. I think this is the plugins section of it. So this plugin says welcome to only WordPress solution for creating. So let me just explain to you. You're reading this out. So let me just give you. So this one now, I think when I was starting up on dropshipping, I was able to make research about this particular product. So this helps you to do what? To import. See their first this thing now. It helps you to import a product direct from AliExpress to your WooCommerce website. So if you're having a WooCommerce website that you need to import the images, the review, the everything, this is the plugin that you're going to use. Remember, I'll drop a link below this video. The link will be on below this video. So use the link in order for you to support us, please. Okay, my friend. So this is an amazing product. As you can see, this is an amazing product. They help you to import. So instead of you to be manually trying to import products from AliExpress, all you need to do, come to this website, get their plugin. The plugin will cost you, let me check, it costs you $89 for only $89. So it's a one-time payment of $89 and you then not pay again. And every of their review, every of their updates, you'll be getting it on the plugin without paying any other dime again. So it's only $89 that you can be able to get. So one-time payment of $89, you get all this done for you. So everything, both the dashboard of your revenue, everything will be done for you using this method. So all you need to do, just pay $89 for this plugin, and you get everything done for you. Order a custom store. So this for someone that. So this their plugin, I think, is an amazing thing that you need to try out today. I think it's amazing that you try it out. Give it a try. So this one is also one of their products. So this one is high ticket dropshipping stores. So this one is high ticket dropshipping stores. So this is high ticket dropshipping store. You upload high ticket products to your store's catalog. Your client buys a product in your store and you receive $3,000 on your bag as well. So if you are looking for a product that people will be buying in high cost, like $3,000, $1,000, $500,000, they help you to get those products and do the website for you. The good part is just that today you don't need to become a website designer. You don't need to become maybe someone that can source out this product by yourself. These people will do the hard work for you. They will do the hard work for you. All you need to do is just pay them this money, then they will be able to source out the products, do the design, and give you everything. And the good part of it is just that they are good already with SEO. They know how to optimize, they know how to do the work, all these things. They are good in it because they have been into this game. So you doing it by yourself might not give you the leverage, or maybe might not give you the experience that they already have. Okay, like they say the basic one is $290, then the advanced one is $490, then the ultimate one is $890. So these are products that you can get from them, regardless to the high ticket product. Like if you want to go for the high ticket. So remember, the other one is lesser, but that one is not high ticket. This one is a high ticket product. So remember, the link of all this will be dropped at the description box. It's a big industry. So they say the plugin have perfectly optimized for dropship plugin with high performance and fast site loading speed, free website setup, easy to manage control panel, and free SSL certificate. So I think I like this SSL certificate, and also the control panel that they have that can be easy for you to manage. So if you are starting up on dropshipping and you want to design your website by yourself, maybe your WooCommerce website or any website, so all you need to do, come to their website using the link below this video. Just get to the website and then get any of this plan. They say $69 per year. It's very cheap, man. It's very cheap. I buy domains, I buy hosting, so I know how much those hosting cost me. And their own is not just shared hosting. It's not a shared hosting. So these are cheap. They say 3 gig this space is enough for you to even design a website. So this one is $115. This the silver, the gold, and the platinum, and the others. So if you want to design your website, this is one of their products. The hosting plan is one of their products that you can also enjoy as a dropshipper. All you need to just come to their website using the link below this video. Come to their website and get access to any of these products. So these are their products. Add-ons are just domains that they have already registered this domain, so they want to sell it to you, maybe like a reseller of domains. So those domains now have a high maybe search in the internet, maybe those domains that you might not be able to get by yourself. So all they do now, they sell those domains to you. So what do you need? It's just for you to go there now. They say you choose and buy a premium domain for your e-commerce store. You set up everything and transfer your website to the new address. You brand your store in accordance with the new domain name. You enjoy high sales, enhanced website look, and credibility and traffic. So most of the names you are going to be using pertaining to your dropship might be a name that you want to be relating to your particular niche or the particular product that you are promoting. But most times you might not be able to get those names because of what somebody have already bought it. So what they do, they secure those names, then they sell it to you at maybe a cheaper rate. Like if you also go to some website like GoDaddy, I think they do that also, but most times they search higher. Might be getting a website, you might be getting a domain name for like $2,000, $1,000, $5,000. So I think these ones are cheaper compared to other hosting, other places that you can buy premium domains. So that is it. So the next one, let's look at their add-ons. Okay, so these are the add-ons that they have here. So the number one add-on they have here is add on bundle for silver. So it boosts your online visibility on Google and social with these 6 add-ons. So this is basically for WooCommerce websites. So if you have a WooCommerce website and you want to maybe make your visibility to be shown, maybe you want to optimize your website very well for a search engine, this is an amazing product that you can use. This is an amazing product you can use. This add-ons is an amazing product that you can use. So this is also beginner start all-in-one solution to start your new business. These are basically for WooCommerce websites. So if you are doing a WooCommerce website for your dropshipping, these are the products that you need right now to start and scale your business. Then this one is add-on ad bundle. This is also an amazing product that you need. It says save $63 and get the superpower of 6 add-ons. So these are amazing. So these ones are for sales. So this one now, the first one now is under package. The next one is under sales booster, wish list, and you have the product slideshow. You have the product label. You have the landing pages. You have the gift box. You have the purchase upsell. You have the bulk discount. You have the product bundle. So these are the what you can use in order for you to, and they are very cheap. Like this one is $39. This one is for $39. One-time payment. This one is $19. This one is $27 per month. So other ones are $29. This one is $29. This one is $39. This one is $19. This one is $37. So all you need to, once you click the first link below this, all of them are for WooCommerce website. In case you are having a WooCommerce website, all of them are for WooCommerce website. You can use them as your plugin for your WooCommerce website. So then the next one is workflow automator. So this also splits test, website SEO optimizer, SEO image optimizer. Then this one is abandoned carts. This one is free. The next one, AliDropship, import shipping method from AliDropship. This one is $29. So social media promoter, TikTok business, Google merchants, social rabbit plugin. This one is $69. This one can be used both on WooCommerce. It can be used on also Shopify. Then Facebook business automates Facebook promotion on your feed. So this also is an amazing. It's a customer trust booster, urgency, review page, customer gallery, recent sales pop-up. So these are what you can be using. These are the add-ons. So remember, click the link below this video to get access to this page and know more about this product and get them for yourself. If you have been searching for AliDropship on YouTube, this is an amazing video that you can be able to watch today in order for you to do what? To get off your AliDropship website. I hope this video has been able to explain in details all you need to know regarding to AliDropship website and their products. So remember the link below this video, share this video, subscribe and like, drop your comments. If you have any question regarding to this product I've listed, drop your comment. And remember, please subscribe and do what? Also, you can also do what? You can also do what by helping us to do what? To continue promoting videos like this, or to continue making these reviews for you by doing what? By using our link below this video in order for you to get access to any of this product that you want to get access without any additional prices attached to it. Just a small commission that we'll be making from those purchases that you're going to be making without any additional cost attached to it. So see you in the next video. I hope you have subscribed. I know you are going to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. We love you.